Toshiba laptop screen replacement. Once you have all the screws removed, you start prying at the edges to pull the screen apart. Get the bezel off. Then we got to get this part pried upwards. You can flex it right past here. And then you pull it apart on each side. And bezel slides right out. And from there, there's side screws on each side of the screen to hold it in. Once you have the screen out, pull the tape up. Don't worry, if you rip the tape, you have to put new tape on anyways. This is an older model non-LED screen, so we have to pull off the CCFL connector, like so. And this is the part number we look for on these screens. This is how we order them by. We set down the new screen, plug in the CCFL light. Then we come in and plug in the edge connector. This tape can be pushed back down. And we just put a new piece of tape across this. Across that and reinsert the screen. Be careful not to tangle or pinch any wires. Snap the screen back in the bezel. Just work it with your fingers all the way across. All the screws go back in the way they came out. Just plug it in. Plug the laptop in.